Mbere ya mucirithania Boaz Ombewa wa igoti ria kahawa ekuirwo kenda aria ni maabitha anene kambuni ya utambia wa hinya wa thitima ya Kenya Power megwikinyitie gwitika thitango thutha wa gwikio ngono muthenya wa ira magikuirwo kunyitanira njama-ini ya uthukangia wa mitambo ya thitima undu uria wacungiriirie nduma nene kiumia kihituku. Mwena wa thitango okwendaga kenda aya mathie nambere kuhingirwo kwa ihinda ria thiku 21 niguo uthuthuria uria urathie nambere ukorwo warikirira undu uria ureganirwo naguo ni mawakiri aria marugamirire ekuirwo magitongorio ni wakiri Dastan Omare.
The investigations team intends to invite independent engineers to assess the probable cause of the tower's collapse, which means the state doesn't know what caused these things to come down.
Mucirithania Boaz Ombewa athanite ekuirwo guthii nambere kuhingirwo kwa ihinda ria thiku ingi inyanya cira uyu ugitanywo gukagwetwo ringi tariki 28 mweri uyu.
On the rival submissions, I'm inclined to allow a detention, but not for 21 days. 8 days. Yes, 8 days. I believe that should be sufficient for the IO or the investigating agency to conclude investigations. Primarily, the reason I'll dwell with is not necessarily the actual interference, but the likelihood is a reason.
Maya mokete riri uthuthuria makiria urathie nambere gukirikana njama otaino nirabangitwo niguo kugwithia waya cia thitima iria ciumite mwena wa Olkaria na Ivasha guthie mwena wa Githumo muthenya wa ira no ekuirwo marahofanirio mbere ya gukinyaniria uthukangia uyu uria ungiracokirio bururi-ini nduma-ini nene. Gukinyio igoti-ini kwa maabitha aya gukite thiku nini tu thutha wa munene wa ruhonge rwa DCI George Kinoti kwambika uthuthuria wa kiria giacungiriirie kuragwa thitima gukirikana undu uyu wahota gukorwo wabangitwo ni andu mari na utaramu munene wa maundu makonie thitima na marutaga wira kambuni-ini no.
There will be a mention on Wednesday to confirm those who will be charged. They'll be charged on Wednesday. Those who will not be charged, this file will be closed and they'll be told we have no evidence against you. So Wednesday is the D-day to know whether our clients are going to take plea or our clients have been exonerated by the DCI.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa Mahinya Monica Juma ni ahithuritie ati mogaruruku maria marahanika sekta-ini ino marongoreirie kuhurana na mathina maya kaimana. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.